So I swim a little closer, and I heard one of them say, "Goodbye, Mama Shrimp." Hey YouTube, let's do this Frank Black cover song called the Shrimp Song, or Song of the Shrimp. This is originally a song done by Elvis in a movie. Frank Black kind of turns it into like a kind of a country western feel. So we have a D in this song, D minor in this song. Got an A7, and then the other chord in the song is G minor. It's a G minor 7. The introduction is like D, and then you go to the A string. You play open A at the 3rd fret, and then open D. While and then you let that D ring out, and you play the D minor over it. And then there's a verse and a chorus. The verse is how the song starts, and it's just got 2 chords. There's 3 shrimps in the water. Goes to A7. Oh, I swam a little closer. A7. And I heard one of them say. So it just alternates between a D minor and A7. Then we go into the chorus. Goodbye, Mama Shrimp. That's where we go to the G minor 7. Alright, and we're just playing that because the other 2 chords are in the open position. We're going to play it like this. We're going to basically be playing the D and G strings. You can get the B in there, but mostly it's played on the lower strings. The A string is not going to be played at all. You're going to mute that, and you're going to play the G string, or the low E on the 3rd fret, which is a G. So you're muting the A string with your 2nd finger. I watched him play it live, a couple of videos of that, and this is how he's playing it. And this is a very common way to play the minor 7 chord. So, so that begins the chorus. Goodbye, Mama Shrimp. I'll be leaving in the morning. D minor. A7. It repeats. So it's very much like 12-bar blues kind of progression. But, you know, country and western songs also use that 12-bar blues. So it's just 3 chords, and yeah, it's in the key of D minor. That's the main that's the key of the song. G is your 4 chord. A7 is your 5 chord. Now, if you try to listen with your ears, because we're playing in the open position, D is the highest tone. It's, D minor is the highest pitch of the notes, and then A7 is a little lower, and then G minor is the lowest tone in this song. So try to develop your ears and you can hear those chord changes. Alright, that's how I play it. Thanks for watching, and thanks for that request. Bye-bye.